엄마, 절 태어나게 해주셔서 감사하고요. 한테 진짜 감사하고요. 제가 커서 진짜 공부 열심히 해서 돈 많이 벌어서 선물 많이 드릴게요. 그때까지 잘 부탁드립니다. 해피 멈스데이.
Happy Parents Day, Papa! Masasabi ko kay Papa ko, gwapo, masipag, at higit sa lahat, mapagmahal na Papa. I love you, Papa. Love na love ka namin ni Mama. Miss na miss ka na namin. Sana makabakasyon ka. I love you. Ingat ka lagi.
To my dearest Mama and Papa, on this special day dedicated to parents, I want to take a moment to thank you, Mama and Papa, for all the sacrifices that you've made and the love you've given. You are my rock and my inspiration. And I also want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering love and support. Thank you for always believing in me and encouraging me to chase my dreams. Your love is the compass that guides me through life's journey. Thank you for being the best parents anyone could ask for. Wishing you a happy Parents' Day filled with love and joy. I love you both so much. Saranghen.
Happy Parents' Day po, Daddy and Mommy. I love you. I miss you. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless. Love na love po kayo, Daddy and Mommy. Thank you for the love.
Happy Father's Day! Hello pa, kamusta ka dyan? Hope na lagi kang ligtas at sana palagi kang mag-iingat. Alagaan mo yung sarili. Kahit na malayo tayo sa isa't isa nandito ka pa rin lagi sa puso namin at lagi ka namin pinagpipray.
Happy Father's Day pa! Thank you sa hard work at mga sacrifice mo para sa amin. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat dyan.
Happy Father's Day again and we love you!
Happy Parents' Day po. I hope the best for you all. I love you. Salamat po dun sa mama at papa ko for loving me so much. Happy Parents' Day.
Hello, Mami. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for being the best mom in the world, and thank you for always taking care of me and loving me. I always love you, and you are the best mom in the world. Ingat ka lagi diyan at I miss you. Ito, tingin niyo Hawaii. Ingat kayo lagi diyan. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day!
Ingat ho palagi dyan!
Mula sa sinapupunan, damang iyong pagmamahal. Tindig ng puso mo, siyang naging buhay ko. Ako'y